Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch logo. First, let's dive into the foundational steps. Begin by clearly defining your brand's essence and who you aim to reach. This clarity will guide your design choices. Next, brainstorm a list of keywords and concepts that resonate with your brand's identity. Finally, seek out visual inspiration from diverse sources to spark your creativity and inform your initial sketches. Now, let's explore effective sketching techniques. Begin with very loose, quick drawings to generate a wide array of concepts without overthinking. Focus on capturing the essence of your ideas. Utilize simple geometric shapes as building blocks for your logo's structure. Don't be afraid to experiment with varying line weights and textures to add depth. Select your top 3 to 5 concepts and refine them through several rounds of detailed sketching. Once you have a strong sketch, it's time to bring it into the digital realm. Select your most promising design and prepare it for tracing. Open your preferred vector graphics software, such as Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape. Carefully trace your sketch using the pen tool, focusing on creating smooth, precise lines. Take your time to adjust anchor points, curves, and overall proportions to achieve a professional and refined appearance. Finally, let's add color and typography to complete your sketch logo. Choose a color palette that truly embodies your brand's personality and evokes the desired emotions. Select a typeface that harmonizes with your logo's visual style, enhancing its overall message. Test your finished logo across diverse applications, from business cards to websites, ensuring it maintains its impact and legibility at all sizes. This final review guarantees a versatile and memorable design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.